Welcome friends. So today I'll talk about reading XML file via Boost library. So what you need to do, you have to first install a boot library 1.61 version. So then you can use this library to read XML file from C++. So here we have an XML file. So I'll open it. So system is a bit slow, but yeah, this is the file which we have, info.xml. So I'll open it and I'll show you the content of it. So let's open it with XML editor. So here is visible. You can see that we have an XML file where we have a child local info, then player info, and the user info child has those attributes like pass, is save, is login, account. So now what I'm doing, I will read those attributes, XML file attributes via C++. So let's quickly start. So what we need to do, we have to use some kind of header file which will help us to read those XML files. So first we will need to include Boost property. So and then is Boost property tree, and then you have to use ptree.hpp. So first let's select x64 here. So you have added this header file. Now what I'm doing is I'm using the namespace which is Boost property tree. Sorry, there should be double colons here, and there is a spelling mistake. Now it looks okay. Now you have to add two more header file. The one is Boost, and then you will have a property tree. You can see it's mentioned here. Then you need XML parser. .hpp. So this is basically used to read write XML file. Now we am including some algorithm for Boost, and this is for each .hpp. This is Boost for each. Now let's quickly start with our program. So in the main, what we will do, we will just declare ptree and then its instance. This is the you said some data structure which is provided by Boost to read XML file. So this is a XML. This will point to XML file. So if we can say is a pointer to the file, then we will use the API read XML, and then we have a file in the C directory. So we will add its name, then we will pass this pointer pt here. So now the API has been used. Now we will iterate on this XML using the Boost for each. So you can see it's down here. So now what we will do, we will use the API of Boost, which is value type, and then it will use to read the child of this XML file. Now we will have pt.get child, and there if you see that XML which I showed you here, let's open with XML editor. Now you see that we have a child under local info and player info. Okay, so we need the child inside these parents. So I will pass it here. local info and then dot player info. Now we are done. We add semicolon here. No semicolon, this is for loop. So now this for loop we will read those child. So first I will print let's add using name is std, so we'll have to write some less keywords. Now use cout here to display the child name. It says node name, so we will use child dot first. Then we will add a new line. So here is a child which is having those values. So we will print the value of the child. Let's say the child name, which is pass, so we will add, we need the password value of a child. Okay, so what we will do, we will use child dot second dot get and then std, then we will use inside that, this is a template, so we will use string here. Okay, so then we will pass the XML attribute and then we will use pass. So you see this, we are getting the these are the 4 child we will receive. So now we are passing its value. So first value is dot pass. Okay, so now coming back to the second attribute, so just let's quickly copy this line. Sorry, we have pasted, and now we see the second attribute is save. Okay, so we will use is save value, the same here, but we will add here is save. Let's also add handle so that we will get the proper info. Okay, so like this we can add all those attributes whichever we want to have. So let's copy another one. So for the first child I'm having as well the is last login. So but one thing is this, that these values are integer and this is the string, so we have to use int here instead of string, and then also the string int here, and we will have to use the attribute name. And then we have to use return 0. So here you can see that in the local info, player info, we are iterating on the child and we have 4 childs. So we are displaying the information of this its attribute like pass, is save, is last login, and then it will go for the 4 times this for loop. So let's compile this program. So it's compiling. It's a bit slow. Now here you can see the first name is node name user info, and its attribute is Chandan, and the value of is save is 0. Okay, and this should be is last login. So let's see this Chandan, and we have a same value, but you can change this XML, and that just we need to use here is last login so that we can identify. Okay, so that's it guys. This way you can read the child of an XML file, and in my next video I'll show you how to write XML file on a C++ class memory structure via Boost. Till then, bye.